In this video, you will learn how you can connect your broker account directly on TradingView so you can trade through the TradingView platform. So to be able to do this, first thing we need to do is head over to tradingview.com and then log in or create an account. And then what you need to do is go to products and select super charts, which will then open up a chart. Now you can open up a chart of your choice, doesn't matter which one. And then what you need to do is you need to go to the bottom left hand corner, click on trading panel. And then from here, you will now see a list of all the different brokers available on TradingView. If yours isn't listed right here, you can select all brokers to see more of the brokers that are available. Now, what we need to do is we need to go to the broker that we are currently with. For example, I will select Think Markets. I will then click on this, and then you want to go ahead and select Connect. Now, once we click on Connect, that will then take us over to the Think Markets login page. Now, what you want to do is you want to enter in your email and password into these boxes. Now, once you enter in your login information, all you simply need to do is click on Login. And then once you click on Login, that will then connect that specific broker account to your TradingView. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.